Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good.
All right. My name is Teacher Sunday, and we are here for our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Can you please tell me a little bit about yourself?
My name is Phương Thảo. I'm from D42403. I'm from Vietnam, and I live in Hanoi.
Good. Who do you live with, Fanta?
I live with my family. I live with my parents, grandparents, my uncle, and my little brother.
Oh, that's a big family.
Yes.
All right. Do you play sports?
Yes.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is badminton.
Badminton. All right. Okay, so we learned about viruses. Can you tell me what you know about them?
Viruses are very tiny, so we can only see on the microscope, and it causes a lot of disease. I know some of them is...
Okay, so we learned about viruses. Fanta, can you tell me what you know about them?
Viruses are very tiny. We can only see it by the microscope. And there are many types of virus. Some of them is influenza virus, polio virus, and COVID-19 virus.
What do they do? Do they help us or do they...
They cause a lot of disease like flus and ill.
Good. All right. Now let's talk about this particular type of virus called influenza virus. Okay. What can you tell me about this virus?
Influenza virus is very small. When it gets into our body, we can feel tired, sick, headache, and cough.
Good. And how can they get into our bodies?
It gets into our body by eyes, nose, and mouth.
Good. Do you think when we have cuts on our skins, can they get into our body through that cut?
Yes, it can.
All right. Now, let's talk about how our bodies help to fight the viruses.
Immune system will protect us from the virus. Some of them is hair nose. It traps the virus with the mucus. But some of the virus can enter in the stomach. Acid will destroy them.
Okay. What about white blood cells? Do they do anything to help?
Yes, they will have a white
blood cells?
Yes.
To kill the viruses if the viruses get into our blood.
But yes.
Right. Okay, now let's look at this part of the respiratory system. What part is this? This one that looks like a tube.
It's trachea.
Thank you. This part?
It's diaphragm.
This part?
It's lungs.
And this part?
It's nose.
Thank you. What about this part of the circulatory system?
It's a heart.
Thank you. These tiny ones?
Capillary.
Good. The blue one?
Veins.
And the red one?
Arteries.
Good. Now, these two systems work together. Can you tell me how they work together? You can start from the nose.
The nose will breathe the oxygen in and breathe out the carbon dioxide. When we breathe in oxygen, the oxygen will go to the lungs and then go to the heart, and the oxygen will, and the heart will pump oxygen to the blood. When we walk, the cells make the carbon dioxide, but the body doesn't need it. So the diaphragm will expand it to the lungs, to the trachea, and it go out.
It goes out through the nose.
Yes.
Now let's talk about what you do. Do you do sports?
Yes.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is badminton.
Good. All right. Now, do you think you need to exercise more or less?
I think I have to exercise more because I have a little bit lazy.
Okay. What other things do you do to stay healthy?
Every night I will go to sleep early and eat healthy vegetables.
All right. Now let's talk about healthy habits. What you think everyone needs to do to stay healthy and keep fit?
Everyone have to drink enough water, doing sport and exercise every day, eat healthy food, and go to bed early.
Only so they can get enough sleep.
Yes.
All right. Okay, Fanta, that's the end of your speaking test. Good job.
Thank you, teacher.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yeah.